let's welcome to our team. They are going to boost their sound about importance of money. So, Miss, I am a questionnaire. I'll just open so many questions for them. Welcome to Miss Rupali, starting the extempo.
Hello, good morning everyone. I think you are healthy and wealthy. As we all know that today we are together uh, for the money is honey. So let's start, ma'am. Friends, as we all know that this time or that time, money is very important. Without money, we can't take anything. Mostly education, because this time education is very important for every person. Because if we have education, then we sacrifice to our country. Every people sacrifice, but if we have more knowledge, then we can do anything with more frequently. We know about everything.
Okay, Rupali, I have so many questions for you, but first of all, I would like to listen your team members about an importance of money. Okay, so pass your mic to somebody other. Being sit, you could speak. Being sit, you could speak.
Money is the most important in our life for survival, and it is a very powerful because we can everything because we can buy everything in the world by money, and this is very important for us.
Okay, I'll just ask so many questions that we can buy everything. Now she has admitted a line. Got it. Next one is.
Money is very important in our life. If we have money, we can purchase anything. In education field, money is very important because this time, if you have money, we can prepare high level exam like UPSC, NEET, JEE, law, etc. If we have no money, we can go anywhere and we can't study.
Okay, preparation has need of money. She is admitting preparation has need of money. Let's we see that what's going to be happen. Come on.
Hello friends, myself Anuj. Today I am here to share about what is money. Money is very important. We can do anything with the help of money. We can take admission of higher college. We can do anything. We can open our business. We can go foreign country with the help of money. Without money, you cannot go there. And we can save our time with the help of money. We can buy anything with the help of money. Thank you very much.
I think Anuj never studied about Vasco da Gama. If he would study about that, he never talk about visiting other countries with the help of money. Let's we see that how Arslan is going to elaborate.
Thanks for giving me this chance. It's me Arslan Ansari sitting before you. What is money? Money is a substance which is used to exchange the goods and services. And the word money comes from Latin word monito. And money, importance of money. Money is useful for if you open any type of business, then money is very important in this to spread our business to public and share our products in markets. Money is also important in education field, like if you doing any medical field education and technical course, then money is very useful for us. Money will buy happiness also, because if you have money, you can enjoy our life very easily, and you will expand our life luxurious. That's all. Thanks for listening. Have a nice day.
Okay, now the money can purchase happiness. A point is noted down. Okay, now Mr. Yu.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this golden opportunity. I am Hassan. I am telling about money and honey. So money is a very important our life. If you have money, so you can buy anything. Money is uh, if you have money, so if you can any exam crack, and money is very powerful papers and money is not everything, but everything needs to money. This time, famous dialogues like throw money and watch the show. That's all. Thank you. I finished.
Now, throwing money can show you the show, right?
Watch the show.
Yeah, watch the show, it means it can shown. So, there are so many people who are working on the road, you could see, like it is called, so-called tamasha, right? Without any charges. But I think that Mr. Hashrat
Yes.
never admit this. Okay, now we are going to ask the question, first of all, to Miss Rupali, that she has admitted a thing, that the person is ready to sacrifice everything cause of money. So I want to ask a question, that the army people who are sacrificing their life back to back for our nation, they have dedication. So what do you think, that are they doing these all the thing for the money?
First of all, for preparing for the army, that's why they need money. After selection, they do sacrifice for the country.
Okay. Now you tell me, the dedication or the energy of sacrifice, is it possible with the help of money or a small salary? Are you ready for sacrificing yourself? Means, if I am paying you more and more money, can you sacrifice yourself?
Uh, Money, not more money, but this time
What not more money? Means,
Well-
if you are asking that army people are there who are ready to sacrifice themselves cause of money, the salary, you know that they get just a small salary, a bit of salary.
This is their dream, man. Not-
What's their dream? Their dream is to put on the army dress. Their dream is to dedicate their whole life for the country. Their dream is to breathe for the Tiranga, right? They don't have matter about the money, as I think.
if
So,
if the person first they want, after they become decided their aim. If they want to go in army, they need education. For education, they need
you know, the
money.
government has so many policies on which basis you could get at least till intermediate free of cost education. So many people are there who are in army, just they are high school and intermediate. Am I right or wrong?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am, it is right. But this time the primary school is not good. The teacher is good, but they don't want to study, focus study on at the student. That's why the
No, so many people are there who are qualifying different examinations without eligibility, they are doing so.
because their IQ level is high. Not every person have more IQ level.
No, as the seats are there, that much candidates are selected every day.
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever the examinations are disclosed, the results are disclosed. Let you see in papers.
Yes, ma'am. If there is no need of money, then why the institute is increases? They have need more money. This is possible due to money. If the
The
person
institute
wants,
gives platform only. The dedication generates in yourself itself.
dedication is the right, man. But without money, dedication is not work. If the person live in very poor house and they have no more money, then they don't take good education. That's why they don't fulfill
I
their
will come to the point that they have not enough food. The person who has not enough food, can they get the preparation, education? Can they join an army dress? I think dot. I don't have. I could ask so many questions, but I have so many questions for Deeksha, that she has just admitted something. She was speaking that the money is quite important for what? Yes, you may.
Money is the most important because students, everything depends on money.
Everything is depend on money.
Everyone.
Everyone is depend on money. Okay.
Everyone.
Does your mother packs your lunch because of money? Do you pay the money in morning to your mother,
Money and-
that she pays you the tiffin?
money and affection, love is not comparable.
So what is this? You have told before that everyone is completely depend on money.
Yes, ma'am. Today.
Did she?
Yes.
Did she?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Today everyone works for money.
Where I am asking the question, your mother packs your lunch, your breakfast, a dinner. Means, do you pay the money for these all the things to her?
No, ma'am.
So, how the money is important?
Money is important.
Can you explain it? How?
Money is important because everything we need, everything by money.
Okay.
And
What's your need?
education, foods,
Okay. If I give you an education, your needs are over.
means.
If I give you an education, your needs are over.
But you give education, but food and clothes and
Many animals are there who are wandering here and there. They also arrange their food anyhow. The beggars are there who are wandering here and there. They also arrange anyhow the food. The mad people means mental disturbed people. They also arrange their food anyhow. So means arranging the food is not necessary to have money in your pocket. I think. So many kind people are in this world. They will approach you for the food and all the things.
ma'am, then the we and the animals what difference?
They just get all the identity, you also get. So I am not going to boost myself about your point. I just want to ask that how the money is quite important for you.
When a poor man who have no money, they not grow up in world. They
Do you know the name of Ambani, who had not a single pice in his pocket, but he has started a business, right? And now we are knowing the biggest empire means at world level. So, Ambani's group. Do you think that money has the power to means generate any business? So many people were there who had not enough money. Even the bit of money they had not. Yet they apply their brain and boost their business. The India got its own identity by them. So how?
ma'am, some things needed. Money is the base
Okay, money is the base. She is speaking. Money is the base.
need. Means everything is
Happen.
happen, but money is the need. Everything is start. Anything is start.
Okay, to start anything, money has need, according to her. Let's pass the mic to Yamish. Okay, Yamish, how do you miss feel about the money?
I feel good.
Okay, Miss, after having the money, she feels good. From next of the day when she will come, I'll just pay her 1 pice. Okay. Now, Miss, before some time you have explained something. Some point was there. So what was that? What was that? You have just explained that importance of money.
Yes, ma'am, because this time money is very important for education and treatment field. If we have money, we can go anywhere and we can study. But if we have no money, we can't study high level exam. And if we have money, we can treatment. But we have no money, we can't treatment. And mostly person have no money, then die.
They get died. I want to admit, at every district there are so many government hospitals and free of cost
No,
the
ma'am.
treatment is going on.
Ma'am, some government
No, at every
give
government
money.
hospital, at every
Ma'am.
government hospital, means treatments are free of cost.
No, ma'am. Mostly doctor demand firstly we deposit money, then eye operation.
I will.
Operation.
Okay, the doctor will operate without money if you go at Sadar Hospital.
No,
There is
ma'am.
no charges. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Without any charges, they
No,
will
ma'am.
operate. And you know
In
that
government,
every day,
no
every day.
charges.
This is the ratio of Jaunpur. Means every day minimum 20 to 30,000 people who gets treatment by the Southern Hospital without any charges. So, no, 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 it's not allowed. You have to speak from your side.
No, ma'am. Government hospital take more charges, not some charges.
No, there is no charge. Just out
Ma'am,
of 1
ma'am,
rupee.
I saw
Where you have seen?
Sadar.
At Sadar, is there charges?
No, ma'am. Mostly medicine.
I have also gone there and I took the treatment, but there was no charges.
No,
There
ma'am.
was no charges.
Ma'am, only.
I think some illegal people are there who have taken the charges from her.
Yes.
But it's a free of cost. It's a free of cost. The government gives policy to make us healthy. So, means if we want the treatment, we could get free of cost. Please, I just advise her that go at Southern Hospital for all. Okay? Okay, pass the mic, please. Now, Mr. Anuj, what were your statement? What was your statement?
Money is very important. It save our time.
It saves our time.
Yes.
Money saves our time.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God. Can you elaborate it? I don't think that money saves our time.
I give you a situation. I give you one situation. If
First of all, elaborate how it saves our money. Don't
What is
move
the meaning of
around.
elaborate?
Please. You wanna make me around. And don't do that.
what is the meaning of elaborate?
Elaborate means give some example.
I give you example, ma'am.
But you are creating a situation. And you will involve me
If
there.
you, yeah, I elaborate. If you have no time, then you buy your EDC degree without take any classes. It is the save our time.
It saves our time.
It saves our time.
You know, there are so many
Many degrees.
so many trusts are there which are leading institutions, colleges, schools. If you are qualifying their examination, entrance examination, they will give you free of cost all the thing. Even they also provide you some money to continue study, further study as a scholarship.
If you have no time, then you buy your degree without take any classes. It is the same.
So the degree,
Saves our time.
the degree can be knowledgeable for you if you won't study anything and you purchase the degree. Means degrees are sellable in the market according to him. So money creates corruption. I think money creates corruption.
It's your thing, man.
No. If anybody who never go to the school, who never know that exactly what is the concept of that subject, and he is achieving the degree after paying the money, it means the corruption.
But it,
Education has no wings of.
but in today
Corruption.
time, it's happening, man.
It's happening. The people who are feeling that money is everything, they are doing so. As you think that money can do everything. It means that you can do the corruption.
Yes.
Yes. Oh.
But not
my
all,
God.
man. Only one person I told you.
Somebody other.
Yes.
Somebody other.
No, man.
No. Yes, you are.
No, ma'am.
You are not. Okay, it's okay. But it was declared that whoever are hunger of money, they always push their self to do the corruption to make possible their all kind of works.
No, man.
Anuj
You
has
mislead me.
explained it. No, I'm not misleading you. You told this. Okay, thank you, Anand. Now, Mr. Arsalan,
Thank you, ma'am.
means you have also boosted yourself about the money. Exactly. What is the money?
Money makes our life luxurious.
How? What do you understand with luxury word? What kind of luxuriousness?
Having good house and having cars and some dress and watch, etc.
Okay. I have a question. When anybody gets retirement after 60 years, why the doctors, their family doctors, advises them go to the village, stay in nature? Why it is so? Tell me. If all the luxuries which makes your life quite happy and beautiful, why the doctors are advising you to go in the village and make your life healthy wealthy?
Doctor tells you only go to village, not spend our life.
This is what. For saving our life, the luxurious things never help us. The natural thing helps us.
But in village also luxury peoples are there.
So they are suffering. They are suffering. They are just depend on the juice and tablets. Maybe the injections. But the people who are healthy, wealthy, they are attached with nature. So, and there is no charges. The natures never charge you anything.
In luxury people also healthy wealthy.
No, they are not healthy, wealthy. Are they healthy, wealthy?
Yes.
Are they healthy, wealthy? I think no. Do you think, guys? Do you think
No.
that the people who
I
are
think-
getting the luxurious life, they are only healthy, wealthy?
No.
The village people are there who are working hard in the field, yet they are healthy, wealthy without any medicine. They become cured.
But in village nowadays UV rays are comes from sun, and if you have no any good house, then you are aged fastly.
No. I don't think so. I think he doesn't know the name of a famous actor, Dilip Kumar, Mr. Yusuf Khan. You don't know the name. He had the great attachment with natural thing, and he was looking so handsome, so young. In his more than 60 years old when he was looking so handsome. He had the means all the things naturally in his house.
I am not about natural things.
So
but
you are talking that the luxurious things,
and luxury people also.
what luxury people are? Means the car can makes us only luxury. What exactly luxury is? This is the wastage of money.
Yes.
This is the wastage of money. Honey is not found everywhere easily. Can it be? Honey can be found easily anywhere, anytime. Like that, money has its own eminence. When there is need, we invest. If we are wasting that, it will waste you. I think this. Do you want to say?
Money makes our life luxury.
How
That's
is
my
it?
point of view.
No. The person who feels money makes our life luxury, they are not having a good relationship with their parents, their society, their nation. They only think about their self. I think the money makes us selfish.
Ma'am, you could say money not our nation, but if you make a businessman and you include our money in also helps in GDP in our country.
So what I think, the GDP can be maintained if you are applying your brain exactly. So many people as Jitendra who are from Maharashtra who has just boost a machinery, means he was just a common farmer. He had not money. By the waste material he has made. Now the company has purchased that. First of all, there is no matter about investment only. The ideas makes you money. Your ideas makes money.
Only ideas, ma'am.
So
not
this is
method.
what means
Only
the
ideas,
Jitendra is
not
there.
method.
You could talk so many people who has just given so many ideas.
And money is also important to.
It is also important, but you are talking about that it makes us luxurious, and luxurious people are too good. I don't think. Okay, pass your mic to somebody other. Okay, let's you explain.
Money is a very important our life. If you have money, so you can buy anything and through
Can you buy happiness?
yes, ma'am.
How?
And every person has some dreams. So complete easily dreams. So happiness.
Okay, suppose I have a dream to be an IAS and I am paying a lot of money. Can I be an IAS without paying examination, without preparation, without collecting information? Miss, can I be an IAS? Suppose according to him, suppose I become an IAS. Suppose I become an IAS. Can I deal our district better? I have to study, I think. And first of all, it's not possible without preparation that you are going to be an IAS.
But money is important for preparation. Without money, we can't preparation for any exam. I guess.
No. I don't think. So many people were there who has prepared in the poverty. They had not any single means to get preparation. Yet they achieved their goals by so many examinations. We have too much, means a long history. The India has a means biggest hub of talented people. Don't you think so?
But ma'am, this time, uh, this time some people have no money, so some people no think prepare exam.
Okay. Many one are there who are happy. I think he never see a small child. He never gets money, but he plays better. So, means is he not happy or is she not happy? Happiness can be purchased with the help of money.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe the bit of time you can purchase, but entire emotions can't be generated with the help of money. If you drawn a picture, suppose you drew a picture and you have gifted by writing so many emotions, sentiments of you on the paper, as much the teacher or the friend or anyone else will be happy to read, and it will be read many times that how much close is she, how much close is he for me. That won't be expressed by your costly gifts. It will be useless. How the people feels happy by one money. Tell me.
Ma'am, this time all person needed money because because if you have money, so if you can buy anything like any degrees uh, without take classes.
Now he is also talking about the corruption. He
But-
also it means overall the money release the emotion towards the corruption. We could be the criminal. As so many terrorists are there who never love the nation. They always talk about the benefits. They always talk about the money, right? The bullies are there who never love the life of human being. They don't have matter about humanity. They just sneeze the money, right? So I wanna ask that exactly the money has really the cause of happiness. The money has really the cause of happiness. Today, are you not happy? Are you happy? Why are you happy? Okay, pass the mic. Thank you. Why are you happy, Diksha? Why are you happy? Sit. Come on, sit.
Today I'm happy because today is my day starting getting good.
Okay, today you have come here to neat and clean this. So you are happy. The day has been started with that. No, it was happy. Okay, the day was happiest according to Diksha. Okay, but there was no money. See, there was no money. She was happy. Okay, how do you feel here?
I feel very good
Okay, why you are feeling good?
because there is many friends here to present, and we all know that they are very good with the nature, and there is no more money. That's why I am also happy. No, without money, I am also happy.
Okay, without money they are happy, and without paying money you all are here. Okay,
And,
thank you.
and you are also friends. That's why I am also happy.
Oh, okay, I really appreciate this. Now, Yamish, how do you feel here?
I feel good because
Yes.
because I am here and I learned so many things. I have no money, more money, but I am also happy.
You are happy by learning. Means due to money they are not getting happiness. Means with the presence of practice, learning, they are feeling good. Okay. Now Mr. Anush, how do you feel today?
I feel very, very good.
Okay.
And we can we can we can buy with the help of money happiness. I
Okay.
have example.
It's okay, but I'm asking that how do you feel right now?
I'm good, man.
You are good.
I have
Miss,
I have a question
means
for you,
means the
ma'am.
audience has given you money.
Yeah, give me.
No, no. Miss has audience given you money to be happy? Anybody gave you money? Just now somebody has paid you money.
Why?
You are happy?
Yeah, nothing.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Okay. You can ask.
How you survived your entire life without money?
With the attachment of my parents, blessings of my teachers, love of my student, and caring of my society, and dedication what I have for my nation, I survive my entire life. There is not a single beat of money.
Without eating any food.
So many saints are there. The nation which is called the saint nation, who are surviving their life. So if I would be in that condition, I could also be the saint and I could survive my nation by my all the physical, internal soul.
I can't understand, ma'am.
Okay, you can't understand. It's okay. Okay, pass the mic, Mr. Arslan. How do you feel?
I'm feeling good.
Okay. So, means why are you feeling good?
Well, we are learning many things about money
Okay, about money you are learning. That's why you're feeling good.
ma'am was telling me money is something, not everything.
Okay. Now I just want to ask to Hashrat about his feel. That exactly how is he feeling?
I feel very, very happy because my friends is present and I learned to about money.
Okay. He learned so many things about importance of money. Okay. Thank you so much. It's really very interesting task among the students, whatever they have spoken. And I'm really happy with the performance of my all students. Thank you so much for joining me, and you all may go to your seat. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Stop.